I'll be going over the Flex Connector Series handy chart. This Excel file consists of 3 sheets: the Flex Connector handy chart, the Flex Connector selector filters, and the retention data for our Flex series. In the first sheet, we have our Flex Connector series with our specs on the top column, such as pitch, depth, and length. And when you slide over to the right-hand side, you'll find the alternative product sections to the specific series that are listed, and to the right-hand side of that is the pin count for each of the series, as you can see right here, as well as remarks for some of the series that are listed. Here is the Flex Connector Selector. Now, this is a really helpful tool because it allows you to sort of input data into this pivot table and gives you recommendations based on the data that was inputted. For example, I want a 40 position flex connector with a pitch of 0.5 millimeters, and I want the actuator to be a backflip. Here are all the recommendations I get based off the specifications I had plugged in into this pivot table. And you could go a little bit more into depth by plugging in a specific height or depth that's desired. On the third sheet, we have the retention force data, and as well as insertion depth for when the actuator is open and closed. Retention force comes in newtons, and for some of the series we have listed horizontal and vertical retention force. And now, if there's any questions or concerns, you can reach out to Mark Sherrill or me, Rohan Pradhan, and we'd be happy to help. Thank you.